If you're seeing Epic Games error code LS-0009, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This error often shows up when the launcher can't properly detect your game files, or when something in the install has become damaged or moved. So if your game won't launch, keep getting this error, or Epic Games is acting like the game isn't installed correctly, follow these steps carefully. Before we start, please hit the like button if this video helps you, and make sure you subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides just like this. That really helps the channel and lets you find more fixes when you need them. First, close Epic Games Launcher completely. Don't just minimize it, you want to make sure it's fully shut down. To do that, you can right-click the Epic Games Launcher icon in the system tray and exit it, or open Task Manager and end any Epic Games processes if needed. Once it's fully closed, restart your PC. A full restart can clear temporary glitches and refresh anything that's stuck in the background. After your computer comes back on, open Epic Games Launcher again and go to your library. Find the game that is giving you the LS-0009 error, then click the three dots or the settings option next to it and choose Verify. This tells Epic Games to check your game files and repair anything missing or corrupted. In a lot of cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue. While that verification is running, make sure the game files haven't been deleted or moved. If the launcher can't find the original install location, it may throw this error even if the game is still on your system. Check the game install folder and confirm that the directory still exists in the same place. If the folder was renamed, moved to another drive, or partially deleted, Epic Games may not recognize it properly. If the folder exists, but the error is still happening, take a moment to check whether the install is complete. Sometimes a failed update or an interrupted download can leave the game in a broken state. Verifying the files can often repair this automatically, but if it does not, you may need to reinstall the game to restore the missing data. Another important step is to update the Epic Games Launcher itself. An outdated launcher can sometimes cause compatibility problems and prevent games from launching correctly. Open the launcher, check for updates if available, and make sure you're using the latest version. Keeping a launcher updated helps reduce errors and improves overall stability. If you're still stuck after that, try closing the launcher again, restarting your PC one more time, and repeating the verify process. Sometimes the issue is caused by a temporary file conflict or a background process that doesn't clear until after a second restart. It may sound simple, but these basic checks fix a lot of Epic Games launch errors. To recap, the main things to try are restarting your PC, opening your library, verifying the game, checking that the install folder still exists, making sure the files weren't moved or deleted, and updating Epic Games Launcher. In most cases, one of those steps will get rid of LS-0009 and get your game working again. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more gaming fix videos, and leave a comment if you want help with another Epic Games error. Thanks for watching, and hopefully your game is back up and running now.